To get the accurate scan data, make sure to meet 4 conditions below. 1. Teeth control, gum. 2. Tooth preparation. 3. Fluid control, saliva, blood, tissue. 4. Check scan data. In order to make prosthesis using oral scanner, keep the properties of zirconia in mind. Since zirconia is the hard, but the thinner, the more fragile, the minimum thickness of zirconia crown should be more than 1.0 millimeters. In case of zirconia inlay, the shape of cavity should be simple, open box, and no undercut. When you work with a oral scanner, it's model-less. Avoid undercut in the preparation teeth. If the margin line is sharp like J shape, or the shape of cusp is sharp, please be careful, as the milling machine cannot express the same shape. Take into account the burr thickness of the milling machine, and make sure the incisor of anterior teeth and cusp of the posterior teeth aren't prepared sharply. If it is sharply prepared, the zirconia crown is thinner, as its inner is excessively milled. Take into account margin placement. In case of equigingival or subgingival, gingival retraction is necessary. In case of subgingival, margin line is not easy to be scanned because the margin line is under the gingiva. So supragingival is the best in the margin placement. In the case of silicone impression, there is a gap between the tooth and the gingiva by impression material. However, in case of the digital impression, the gingival retraction is essential because you will get the oral status as it is. There is a way to expose margin line by using a cord packing or laser, but it's good for the margin placement to be supragingival. In case of the subgingival margin, insert 2 cords for definite gingival retraction and remove 1 cord right before scanning. Lastly, it is essential to take a fluid control before scanning. Remove the stagnant saliva on the teeth. Since blood is also being scanned as well, it should be checked, the flow of blood completely before scanning. When the gum tissue is under the bad condition, it's not easy to get correct scan data due to the liquid leaking from the gum tissue. After scanning, check the scan data, just like checking the silicone impression. There's 4 checklists. Check the preparation teeth, soft tissue, adjacent teeth, and occlusion. After scanning the preparation teeth, check the margin line, no undercut, and sufficiently prepped. In the case of soft tissues, some parts are deleted automatically, but recognition is slower without proper soft tissue retraction. Also, unnecessary data is accumulated, resulting in increased capacity, which in scan data will not align to the correct position. When retracting soft tissue, use the mirror or the finger to ensure retraction, or use the rubber opening to perform retraction. For plastic openings, avoid using the scanner because of its limited space in the mouth. Just like silicone impression, digital impressions also need information of adjacent teeth to make accurate prosthetic. If a preparation tooth is on posterior teeth, you have to scan 1.5 to 2 adjacent teeth. And in case of anterior teeth, it would be better to get full anterior scan data to make the aesthetic prosthetics. When scanning adjacent teeth, get occlusal surface, contact point, and height contour. After occlusion scanning, check if it is aligned in the same position as the physical occlusion. Check contact points on occlusal surface by using a tool to check for contact points, or by checking the visible areas as you rotate the scan data.